Today we'll talk about how can you enable sound effects on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click on here. You just click here on more. You just click here on more here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on account settings here, and just click here on account settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to sound effects. So then you click here on this sign. We just click here on this sign here. Like you see this color show for us. That means sound effects enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.